subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched 3 new 5G-enabled smartphones under Reno series in China called Oppo Reno 7, Reno 7 SE and Reno 7 Pro. Among these 3, the Oppo Reno 7 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 7 Pro features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max chipset, paired with ARM G77 MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8.12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno 7 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor plus ultra-wide-angle lens with 118.9° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX709 sensor. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 65W super flash charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes VC liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.2 by 73.2 by 7.45mm and it weighs around 180 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno 7 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage option at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, blue and gold color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from December 3rd. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.